Governor, according to the Social Security Administration Inspector General, during fiscal year 22, the agency clawed back $4.7 billion of overpayments, while another $21.6 billion remain outstanding. Now, my office has heard from constituents who rely on Social Security and have received letters demanding money back for overpayments made by the agency. Beneficiaries are receiving letters stating that they must pay back thousands, or in some cases even tens of thousands of dollars to the government. Some individuals are even receiving bills from SSA that date back 40 years. Overpayments push already struggling beneficiaries even deeper into poverty and hardship, which is directly counterproductive to the goals of the program. So first, we have to address the root cause of this issue. If confirmed, do you commit to improving payment accuracy?
Yes, sir. Yes, Senator, I do. It's been, as I've read those stories about people in danger of losing their homes or other financial catastrophes, it's heartbreaking, and it reminds me of a sad truth that sometimes in government, federal, state, and local, there are only two speeds, on and off. We have to do a better job of recognizing the justice at stake in each of these individual cases and come back to all of you if indeed there needs to be a change in the law.
Thank you. If beneficiaries believe that an overpayment wasn't their fault and that paying the money back would cause hardship, they can ask SSA to waive repayment. But trying to resolve an overpayment involves plunging into a nightmarish minefield, a process that can last years, drain beneficiaries of their assets, and leave them without payments for extended periods of time. Would you commit to making the appeals process more equitable and accessible for beneficiaries?
Yes, Senator, and that's another big aspect of the customer service.
Rules for beneficiaries are complex and hard to follow. Members of the public often struggle to really understand what they're supposed to report. I understand the administration is developing, Social Security Administration is developing a program to tap payroll data from outside sources, and that this information can be used to automatically adjust the amounts paid to beneficiaries. That project was authorized by Congress nearly 8 years ago. Can you commit to making this a priority upon your confirmation?
Yes, Senator.
Okay. And let me just turn to two other questions. SSA is at its lowest staffing level in over 25 years. Some individuals are even receiving bills from SSA, as I mentioned before, that date back 40 years. New workers need a long time to get up to speed, and complex rules for employees and create trouble for beneficiary and employees alike. Are you committed to rebuilding a robust workforce equipped to handle these challenges?
Yes, Senator.
And we need to be a partner with you in that regard.
I will regularly update this committee, and I look forward to partnering with you as well. Last year, SSA had a record number of like 8,000 that they hired, but the attrition rate, just carved into that. So we're going to have to do a better job of recruiting. We're going to have to do a better job of training and a better job of retaining people rather than demoralizing and making people miserable.
Agreed.
Hello, friends. I have breaking news to share with you. President Biden wants to do this. The Biden administration has just unveiled a new plan that could help many low to middle-income families. Officials say that this plan would include numerous initiatives and would also help increase home ownership in most states. My dear friends, please make sure that you watch until the end of this video to hear about all of the details. Also, to say thank you for being part of this community. I will be announcing several winners for the Walmart gift card giveaway every Friday. If you would like to enter these weekly giveaway, friends, please click and like several of my videos, and then comment below the keyword of each video that you watch. The more videos that you comment on, friends, the greater your chances of winning these giveaways. While many upper-income individuals in big cities are eschewing homeownership in favor of renting, owning a home remains part of the American dream for many low to middle income families. The Biden administration is seeking ways to help families make that happen, with a number of new initiatives for first-time homebuyers. The Biden-Harris administration recently announced a neighborhood homes tax credit, along with down payment assistance for select first-time homebuyers. The program is designed to create a path to homeownership for first-generation or low-wealth buyers whose parents have never owned a home either. The neighborhood homes tax credit has not yet been signed by Congress. If it does pass, it will allocate $16 billion in funding to build 400,000 new homes across the United States. Additionally, the package will provide $10 billion in down payment assistance and $100 million to supplement first-time homebuyers. Additional changes to existing policies could make it easier for some prospective homebuyers to qualify for a loan. The Department of Housing and Urban Development would allow lenders to factor in a positive rental history and on-time student loan payments when they evaluate an applicant's creditworthiness. So that means even someone without a strong history of revolving credit, car loans, or personal loans could qualify for a mortgage at a lower interest rate as long as they show they have paid their bills, including rent, on time in the past. The policy also shows homebuyers to use a portion of the rental income from accessory dwelling units in the house they are purchasing, or building account as effective income when qualifying for an FHA-insured mortgage. So if someone builds or buys a home with an accessory apartment, or intends to add to the house with an additional dwelling, a portion of that unrealized rental income can factor in to the mortgage qualifications. Also, according to Yahoo News, many Americans who wanted to buy homes changed their minds and backed out of deals more frequently in September. This happened because the interest rates on mortgages went up. Approximately 53,000 home purchase agreements in the United States fell through, which is about 16.3% of the homes that were supposed to be sold that month. This is the highest cancellation rate since October 2022. Areas where house prices had gone up a lot during the crisis, like some cities in Florida, had the most canceled deals, with rates over 20%. Americans are being extra careful about purchasing homes because the higher mortgage rates mean they have to pay more each month. Some places, like the Sun Belt region, where prices went up a lot, are not as popular now because of these higher rates. Home prices have gone up so fast that many Americans cannot afford them anymore. For example, those looking to purchase in Fort Lauderdale had to earn 22% more than they did 1 year ago to afford a median price home of $420,000 in August. That's an average income of nearly $115,000, nearly $40,000 above the national U.S. median income of $75,000. Apart from higher mortgage rates, other reasons for canceled home purchases include rising insurance costs and disagreements between buyers and sellers over necessary home repairs. In the state of Florida, it's become harder for homebuyers to get affordable insurance, which is needed to get a mortgage. Even home builders are being affected, with more Americans canceling their plans to purchase new homes because of the higher rates. However, to attract buyers, builders are starting to offer more deals and discounts. One real estate expert has said, the cost of a home through higher rates is becoming more expensive, and those on the hunt have no choice but to seek other financing, such as adjustable rate mortgages or new construction, where there may be opportunities to get a lower rate. Well, my magnificent and most marvelous friends, That is the end of my daily stimulus update video for today. Dear friends, thank you very much for being part of this community. Every Friday, I will be announcing winners for the Walmart gift card giveaway. If you would like to enter these weekly giveaway, friends, please click and like several of my videos, and then comment below the keyword of each video that you watch. The more videos that you comment on, dearest friends, the greater your chances of winning these giveaways. The winners of yesterday's Walmart gift card giveaway is Janie King and Gwendolyn Lee. Congratulations, my dearest friends. To claim your gift cards, please check your notifications page and send me a message. Or, my dear friends, you could message me on my Facebook page. Thank you and have a wonderful and very blessed weekend.